Today, we're going to go over the bassinet that can be purchased for the Nuna Demi Next as a supplementary video to our main review of the model, which is linked in the description. The Demi Next bassinet weighs just under 4 kilos, can carry babies up to 9 kilos, and has inside dimensions of 71 centimeters in length, down to a nifty organizer at the foot, 31 in width, and 16 in depth, which is a little on the shallow side versus some competing cots. In the basic position, the base of the bassinet stands 66 centimeters off the ground, though it can be raised up to 74 by using the adapters intended for the tandem mode. Note that this is a hack, not officially advertised by Nuna, but one that I feel is both safe and quite convenient, with the best positioning for weight distribution being with the adapters reversed to bring it closer to you. As far as other aspects of the bassinet are concerned, the textiles have a quality feel, are acceptably padded, both in terms of the sidewalls as well as the mattress, and the materials used are Green Guard Gold certified, where Nuna is one of the better companies out there when it comes to avoiding potentially harmful chemicals in production. The storm cover, mattress cover, and inner lining are all easy to remove and are machine washable. There's ventilation both at the head as well as in the canopy, and the mattress and backboard are also perforated to allow more airflow from beneath, where feet on the underside keep ventilation open even when setting the bassinet down on the floor. For sun coverage, there's a sun drape that connects to the bassinet magnetically and can be stored away beneath a flap on the underside of the canopy. As far as use as a crib is concerned, the bassinet by itself is not approved for overnight sleeping, and while Nuna does sell a stand in some regions that supposedly changes this, the bassinet's 16 centimeter shallower depth still makes unattended sleeping a little sketchy in my opinion. To make a few mechanical notes, the Demi Next bassinet is easier to collapse and mount upright again than a lot of competing cots, involving 4 hinge struts with intuitive locking mechanisms. That being said, there are a couple of things that I find a bit cumbersome about the Demi Next bassinet mechanically, in that, when pulling the canopy to its upright setting, it stops partway up in a half-open position, requiring one to press 2 buttons at the base of the canopy bar simultaneously to pull it all the way up to where it can be carried. Secondly, I also think it would have been handy for the release mechanisms to be memory buttons, to make taking the bassinet off a little smoother. So, is the Demi Next bassinet worth its price then? In my opinion, despite a few negatives, the Demi Next bassinet feels as premium as the cots from other comparable top-end models, and is fine for the price, while the ability to use it raised up closer to you also provides a more convenient experience with newborns than you get with a lot of competing strollers. If you'd like to know more about the Demi Next, I've again linked our full review of the model in the description. In addition, if you're currently shopping for a stroller, we have a buyer's guide on our Patreon page, which lists a wide range of models that we recommend, with a lot of technical and lifestyle related information. You can find it by following the link in the description as well. Thank you.